how to create roles in Discord. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. To do this, you will log in to the application and once here, you'll go to the server where you want to create these roles. Now you'll go to the top where the server name is and go to the three dots just to the right side. Here you will go to settings and scroll to the bottom where you will find the user management section. Go to roles and as you can see, the bots will appear as well. In order to create a role, you'll go to the top right where there's a plus and here you will write the name of the role. For example, admin. You can choose a color for this role and tap on save. Now go to create and start assigning permissions for this role. Here you can allow to modify the aesthetics, if you wanted to have basic permissions, to be able to talk, to be a counter, or an administrator. They'll be able to create and delete channels, create and delete roles, add bots, and practically everything. I select this one, in this case, because I'm creating the admin role. From here, you will be able to add directly to whom you want to assign this role. You can assign it to a bot or to a member. You will be able to assign it to several people and then go to finish. Now, as you can see at the bottom, the role will appear. If you tap there, you will be able to edit it from here or delete it. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.